Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes near the top. Let's start with 2 angled lines, leaving a gap in the center. Then from the top, let's curve it out and up. And angle it back in underneath. Now on the inside, let's draw a circular curve like this. And a small circle inside on the top left. Now under the circle, let's draw a curve down and back around for the pupils. And color them both in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw some curves up for the eyelashes. Now let's hop on top of each of the eyes and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with angles up. Then from the inside, let's draw a small line up and then curve it out on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides and let's draw an angle down and in. And then angle it down to the center for the chin. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a small curve for the nose. And then underneath, let's draw a curve across for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. On top in the center, let's draw a line across. Then let's bring it up and down on both sides. Another line out from the sides. Another V-shaped notch up. And then let's bring it out again from both sides. And then let's curve it up and in. And then in the center, let's draw 2 small bumps. Now let's hop back down underneath the bangs on both sides and let's draw a curve down to the sides of the head. And now we're going to hop back up to the top and we're going to draw 2 more bumps up. And then let's bring it down and in next to the head. And let's continue it down with a wavy line. And then curve it back up underneath. Next, on both sides, let's draw a small curve down for the ears. And now let's hop up and let's draw the buns. Let's start with a curve out on the sides of the head. And then 2 more curves down to the ears. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then let's bring it out and curve it down for the shoulders. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 curves down. And then curve it down for the waist. Now top and side here and let's draw the top. Let's start with a line across. And then on top, starting from the shoulders, let's draw 2 angles down on the left and 2 on the right. And let's draw 2 small lines inside each one. Now top back down and let's continue drawing the shirt. Let's start with a curve across here for the bottom. Now top in and let's draw the details. In the center, let's draw a rectangle shape down. And then let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a line out on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw a V-shaped point on the left and the right, and another one underneath. And then let's hop to the bottom corners and let's draw a bent line in. And the same thing on top. And that's it for the shirt. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start under the shoulders and let's angle it down. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now for the next part of the arms, let's draw 2 curves, bringing it out like this. And now for the hands, let's bring it out and down. And bring it back in underneath. And then a bump underneath for the thumb. And then a curve up to close off the hands. Now top inside the right arm and let's draw 2 curves for the bracelet. And then inside the left arm, we're going to draw 2 curves at the top and 2 more underneath. And then on the left side, let's draw a rectangle shape next to it. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the pants. Let's start at the waist and let's draw a curve across. And then from the sides, let's bring it out and down, stopping here. Now we're going to hop in and we're going to draw the straps hanging down. We'll start with a curve down and out on both sides. And let's do the same thing next to it. Then from the end, we're going to angle it back up and in. And that's it for the straps. Now let's move underneath and let's continue the pants. On both sides, let's angle it down and bring it in. Then let's hop to the center and let's draw 2 diagonal lines down and out. Then let's hop up from the bottom and let's draw a bent line underneath both sides. And the same thing on the outside. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now underneath each leg, let's draw 2 small lines down. and a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the pants. Now let's move in and let's draw some details. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw a curve across and continue it out on both sides like this. Then underneath in the center, let's draw a line down. Next, let's hop down and let's draw a curve down on each leg. And another one underneath. Now we're going to hop back up on the hips and we're going to draw a wavy line down and continue it on the other side of the straps. And let's do the same thing next to it. Now let's hop down to the bottom section and let's draw a wavy line down. And then on the outside, let's add another curve here. And that's it for the pants. Now let's move down and let's draw the feet. Let's start with 2 small lines down underneath each leg. And then let's add a curve up at the bottom. Now for the shoes, we're going to angle it out on both sides. And then let's close it off at the bottom with a curve going down. Now underneath each side, let's draw a line down. And another curve across. Now let's hop inside the shoes and let's draw a curve up at the bottom here. And then 2 angles on top. And add some curves inside for the shoelaces. And that's it for Zoey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!